I checked out this multi-sensor AI holdings a little more closely. I found it interesting they had an analyst for being such a small company, like under $100 million market cap. So the ticker is MSAI. I went to the SEC filings and I checked out their balance sheet. They have a good balance sheet. They've got a good amount of net working capital. They have no long-term debt, so it's really good. They have some revenue already. Like there's like a million in the last quarter, so they've got some revenue already coming in. And I went to their investor relations page on the internet here, and I found this press release that they put out in October 14th. They got implementation of solutions in the United States with a global distribution leader, marking the first wave of US deployments following multiple successful programs across Europe and the UK. The customer is a global leader in logistics and e-commerce, has begun deploying multi-sensor AI solutions across key US distribution and fulfillment centers. So the first thing you think about when you see a global leader and then e-commerce is Amazon, or it could be Walmart, but there's just it's up in the air what it is or who it is. It could be like distribution and fulfillment centers. It could be like FedEx, but just the way it has logistics and e-commerce, e-commerce it points more to a retailer. So it could be Amazon or Walmart or Target, or I mean they're a global leader. I mean those are the big ones. So if they got a contract with that size, because these big companies, they're gonna pay a lot of money. They've got a lot of inventory, a lot of places, so they're gonna pay a lot of money. So it's could be a big contract. So the stock is so small, any big contract's gonna really boost the stock price. Of course, we don't know the details. Like, I mean, it could have been, it may not have been a big contract. I don't know for sure, but usually these are big contracts for a small company like this. So, and that they usually have a big boom in the stock price. So, I found that really interesting. That there's a lot of news here with that stock price movement plus the analyst upgrade. So the analysts cited that too. They cited that they got more business coming in. So interesting stuff here with this one. I think I might probably buy some more shares, but I've already got a pretty decent size position for like what I do in my speculative trading account.